As we stand on the cusp of the new year, 2024, I want you to take a moment to reflect on your journey thus far. Think about the challenges you've faced, the obstacles you've overcome, and the fears you've conquered. Each one of you has a story of resilience and strength, and I am here to remind you that you are capable of achieving greatness in the year ahead. Fear is a powerful force. It has the potential to hold us back, to keep us from pursuing our dreams and reaching our full potential. But I am here to tell you that fear is not your enemy. It is your greatest teacher. It is the compass that points you in the direction of growth and transformation. It is the fire that fuels your determination and propels you forward. In 2024, I challenge each and every one of you to embrace your fears, to confront them head on, and to conquer them with unwavering courage. Whether it's the fear of failure, the fear of rejection, or the fear of the unknown, remember that you are stronger than your fears. You have the power to rise above them and to emerge victorious on the other side. Think about the dreams and aspirations you have for the coming year. Maybe you want to start a new business, pursue a new career, or improve your health and well-being. Whatever it may be, know that your journey will not be without its share of challenges and uncertainties. But it is in those moments of fear and doubt that your true character is revealed. Remember that every successful person you admire has faced their fears and pushed through them. They didn't let fear define them. They used it as a stepping stone to reach new heights, and so can you. As you step into the new year, I want you to adopt a mantra. I am fearless, and I am capable. Repeat it to yourself every day, especially when doubt creeps in. Surround yourself with a support system of friends and loved ones who believe in you and your dreams. Take risks, make mistakes, and learn from them. Don't be afraid of failure, for it is the stepping stone to success. Embrace uncertainty as an opportunity for growth and innovation, and above all, believe in yourself and your abilities. In 2024, let us not be held back by our fears, but let us be driven by our dreams and aspirations. Let us conquer our fears and transform them into stepping stones towards a brighter future. Together we can make this year a year of unprecedented growth, achievement, and personal development. Let the echoes of our resolve to conquer fear resonate through every day of 2024. It's not about eliminating fear entirely. It's about recognizing it, acknowledging it, and then pushing forward in spite of it. Remember, courage is not the absence of fear, it's the triumph over it. In this new year, let's break free from the chains of self-doubt and hesitation. Imagine the person you want to become and the life you want to lead. Picture it vividly in your mind's eye and let that vision be your guiding light. With each step you take towards your goals, you'll be one step closer to manifesting your dreams. When you stumble, and you will stumble, don't let it discourage you. See each setback as a valuable lesson and an opportunity to grow. Success is often built upon the foundation of failures, so don't be afraid to fall. Be afraid of not getting back up and continuing the journey. Surround yourself with positivity and inspiration. Seek out mentors and role models who have faced their fears and achieved remarkable success. Read books, listen to podcasts, and engage in activities that fuel your passion and drive. As you embark on this new year, keep in mind that you are not alone on this journey. We are all in this together, supporting and encouraging one another. Lean on your community, share your fears and triumphs, and be a source of strength for others as they are for you. The road ahead may be challenging, but it's also filled with opportunities waiting to be seized. So take a deep breath, stand tall, and declare to yourself and the world, I am fearless and I am capable. With that mindset, there's nothing that can stop you from conquering your fears and achieving greatness in the new year of 2024. Embrace the challenges, celebrate your victories, and let your journey be a testament to the power of courage, determination, and unwavering belief in yourself. Together, we will make 2024 a year of transformation, growth, and unbounded success. Thank you, and let's make this year our best year yet.